If your pants zipper keeps opening, separating, or not closing properly, don't throw your pants away yet. In this video, I'll show you a simple trick using a spoon and pliers that may help you fix the zipper at home in just a few steps. Now, you know how to fix a pants zipper with a spoon and pliers using a simple DIY repair method. If this video helped you, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to How to Fix a Zipper. BZ for more easy zipper repair tricks.